As much as we appreciate what our mechanics can do and who they are, no one looks forward to seeing the inside of an auto shop. Because if you're here, your car is too. And that means something's wrong. And likely it means an expensive repair bill. That is, unless you've called CarShield. If you can dial this phone, you can get your expensive repair bills paid, and you'll never dread seeing the inside of an auto shop again. When you call CarShield before your car breaks down, they have plans that cover up to 5,000 parts and systems of your car. That can include major breakdowns on your engine, transmission, electronics, AC, power steering, and more, including all the parts of your car that you can't name, but your mechanic can, and they'll charge an arm and a leg to fix, if you haven't called CarShield.
My first interaction with CarShield, I was actually calling in a claim for one of our customers. And I was very impressed about the ease it was when I was talking to the adjuster. It was seamless. And when I talked to the administrator on the phone, he actually, he cared about making sure the customer's car was fixed right. I feel great about recommending CarShield.
Plans also include 24/7 roadside assistance with courtesy towing, flat or damaged tires, lockouts, and rental car options. Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, who can even help you find a repair shop near you.
If you have a phone in your hand, you have the power to save thousands of dollars on expensive car repairs. Don't wait. Call CarShield today, before it's too late, and start enjoying your visit to the repair shop.
Call CarShield now. CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company, offering you even more for your money with the CarShield guarantee. Your rate never goes up and your coverage never goes down, no matter how many claims you have. It's not a matter of if your car will break down, but when. Call CarShield now before it's too late and save money with the CarShield guarantee. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.